Welcome to Crop and Tech. Get ready for a jaw-dropping journey into the world of extreme dangerous transport operations. From oversized trucks hauling impossible loads to the biggest heavy equipment machines defying limits, you'll witness the precision, power, and skill it takes to handle these mammoth tasks. Brace yourself for close calls, incredible feats, and the raw force of engineering in action. Don't blink. This is transport at its most daring and dangerous. The Caterpillar 374D excavator is a powerhouse in heavy construction and mining operations, known for its exceptional performance and reliability. Equipped with a Cat C15 engine delivering up to 476 horsepower, it offers immense digging and lifting capabilities. The 374D's durable design includes reinforced booms, arms, and a robust undercarriage, making it ideal for tough jobs. Advanced hydraulic systems ensure precision and efficiency, while the spacious, ergonomic cab enhances operator comfort and productivity. The MAN TGX 41.680 is a heavy-duty truck designed for extreme transport tasks, excelling in hauling oversized and heavy loads. Powered by a 680 horsepower engine, it delivers immense torque and performance for challenging terrains. With a robust 8x8 wheel configuration and advanced man-tip-matic transmission, it ensures smooth and efficient power delivery. The TGX 41.680 also features a comfortable, high-tech cab, making it a reliable and ergonomic choice for long-distance heavy haulage operations. The Self-Propelled Modular Transporter, SPMT, is a highly versatile heavy transport vehicle designed for moving extremely large and heavy loads, such as bridge sections, industrial equipment, and even entire buildings. Featuring modular units that can be combined, it has hydraulically powered axles for precise movement and weight distribution. SPMTs can rotate, move laterally, and navigate tight spaces, making them essential for infrastructure projects and industries requiring specialized heavy transport solutions. The 2021 to 2022 Mercedes-Benz Arocs sets a new standard in heavy-duty transportation with innovative features like Predictive Powertrain Control, PPC. This system optimizes fuel efficiency by leveraging GPS and digital road maps to adjust speed and gear for topography, curves, and traffic signs. Offering a range of configurations from 4x2 to 8x8 and advanced systems like Hydraulic Auxiliary Drive, HAD, it handles diverse tasks from hauling heavy machinery to navigating construction sites with unmatched power and precision. The Kalmar DRG 450-75S5X is a high-performance reach stacker designed for handling heavy containers and cargo in ports, terminals, and industrial settings. With a maximum lifting capacity of 45 tons and advanced hydraulics, it offers precision and efficiency in stacking and transferring containers. The DRG 450-75S5X is equipped with robust safety features, ergonomic controls, and excellent maneuverability, making it a reliable choice for demanding operations requiring power and adaptability. Union Pacific Big Boy, number 4014, is a legendary steam locomotive, renowned as one of the largest and most powerful ever built. Weighing over 1.2 million pounds, it boasts a 4884 wheel configuration and was originally designed for hauling freight over the Rocky Mountains. After being retired, it was restored to operational condition and returned to service in 2019. Big Boy number 4014 continues to captivate rail enthusiasts, symbolizing both engineering marvels and the rich history of American railroads. The Antonov and 225 Mariah is the world's largest cargo aircraft, designed by the Ukrainian company Antonov in the 1980s. Originally built to transport the Soviet space shuttle Buran, it boasts a wingspan of 88.4 meters, 290 feet, and a maximum takeoff weight of 640 metric tons. With 6 engines, the An-225 can carry massive loads, including heavy machinery, large infrastructure components, and humanitarian aid. It is a symbol of engineering achievement and has set numerous world records for airlifting capacity. The Kenworth W900 is an iconic heavy-duty truck renowned for its durability, style, and versatility. First introduced in 1961, it features a distinctive long-nose design, offering a classic, robust appearance. Known for its powerful performance, the W900 is often used in long-haul trucking, construction, and heavy hauling. With a variety of engine options and custom configurations, the W900 delivers excellent performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a favorite among truckers for both its aesthetic appeal and practical capabilities. The Freightliner 122 SD is a heavy-duty truck built for extreme hauling and rugged environments. Known as the severe-duty model, it features a powerful engine lineup, including options exceeding 600 horsepower and a durable chassis capable of handling oversized loads in tough terrains. Its spacious cab offers advanced technology and operator comfort, while its robust design ensures reliability in construction, logging, and heavy haul applications. The 122 SD is a go-to choice for demanding transport tasks. Union Pacific 844 is a historic steam locomotive, known for being the last steam engine built for Union Pacific Railroad. Originally constructed in 1944, it was used for passenger and freight service before being retired in the 1960s. The locomotive was preserved and returned to service in the 1970s for special excursions and public displays. With its iconic 484 wheel configuration, UP 844 remains a symbol of Union Pacific's legacy and a favorite among railroad enthusiasts, showcasing the power of steam-era engineering.